So hello guys, how are you doing? It is me Govinda from hustlerdude.com. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a background in Canva. Okay, so as you can see, I'm on my Canva account here, and then so maybe you get confused with the things that you want to try, or maybe you tried and you couldn't find a way to delete the background. Then don't worry, I'm here. So I have selected one of the dimension here, and then let me go ahead and pick the one thing here. Alright, so I picked this one, and our goal is to remove the background, right? So let's say we want to add something. For example, I want to add a photo of, let's say, myself. I'm just trying to get a photo of myself. So here is the photo of myself. All right, this is me. Yes, I know I'm not looking good. Anyway, so first of all, I would like to change the color of these things. To change the color, you select this area, any area by the way. So make sure that you select on the area that you want to change the color of, right? So for example, if you want to change the color of this circle here, I will click on it. And there you can see there are two colors here, right? So I can change any color, for example, red one, as well as I can make it kind of like this color, violet color, right? Or let's change the background. I clicked on this black area here because the background is black now. And then I want to keep something like this, right? Or I want to keep something like this one here, as you can see, or maybe this one, or this one. So I want to make sure that it fits with my photo. Alright, so I selected this. So the question is how to remove a background. So for example, I have the photo. This is my photo, and I want to remove the background of this photo. And then I want to keep my photo on this area with the same background that I have added here or selected here. So I will click on the photo first, and then I will click on edit button here on the top side. I mean, kind of like right side, left side on the top area here. And then when you click on edit photo, you need to make sure that you have clicked here first. All right, if you have clicked it in this area, then edit photo option will not be shown here. So you need to make sure that you have clicked on the photo or any object that you are trying to remove the background of, right? And then click on edit photo option here on the left side, and then right underneath Magic Studio, right here is a PG removal, and click on it. Okay, and as you can clearly see, the background is just removed, right? So I can just keep the photo any way I want. So I can remove this one, I can even remove this one, I can just move it around here, I can remove this one, including this and this one as well. So as you can see, this is my photo. This looks good even though I'm not good. So yep, this is looking good. Okay, or else you can just keep this size kind of like this, and then you want to make sure that I am here. And okay, cool. So you can change the background of anything, right? So this is the background, maybe this is the background I want to try, or maybe this one. I think it looks good. So as you can see here, anything that you can remove here. Okay, very simple. Select the object here. Once you select the object, the edit photo option will be shown here. Click on that option and BG removal. Click on it, wait for a second, and the background will be removed. Okay, so finally there is one thing I would like to mention, that to have this feature enabled for you, you need to have a Canva Pro account. Okay, if you do have a free account, I'm sorry, you cannot do that. For that matter, you need to go ahead and choose any other tools such as background removal. But on Canva, you need to have a pro account in order to do this thing. All right, so I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. I will be back with a new video. Till then, bye bye.